Hi guys, welcome to Learn with Preetham. Today I'll show you how we can get the exam vouchers for the Microsoft certification exams at cost of zero. It it will be free. So for that, let me give you one brief. That is, we have Microsoft have one initiative, that is Microsoft Training Days. That is an initiative provided by Microsoft where a developer, a student, anyone can give the exam with free of cost, but there is a criteria, but there is a condition that exam should be like basic level exam, that is AZ 900, that is Azure Fundamental, and DP 900, or that is Data Fundamental, SC 900. So all the 900 exam you can give with this particular initiative. And apart from all this, apart from this exam, apart from these certifications, you can give other certifications like AZ204, that is associates level certification, or any expert level certification with the help of your organizations. Like organization will pay that. So this is the discussion of another topic. I'll discuss it later on. But as of now, the thing is, Microsoft Training Days will provide you one opportunity that will make you get that particular certificate, the basic level certificate. When I was searching for interviews, and I'm giving interviews before joining PwC India, uh, every time they wanted to check, like, do I have any professional certifications. So that is the case. Like in nowadays, in every interview, you will ask to have, you will be prompted to have a certificate. So for that you have to be prepared, and then you have to provide that particular, you have to give that particular exam. And one thing is, Microsoft certification will cost us around 4,000 or something. But there is a money constraint for every, some of the people. So this video is for them. Like if we can give it at free of cost, Microsoft will help us to give that. So and yeah, going to that particular initiative, the initiative is something like, you will register for a particular event that will be listed in the Microsoft Training Days portal. And then that particular event, when you join that particular event, there will be a virtual training for 2 days. 2 consecutive days will be there for that particular event. You have to register, you have to log in with the particular email ID with which you have registered previously for that particular event. And then after like 2 3 days, Microsoft will send you one mail. That mail will consist of, like, you have successfully cleared the you have successfully completed the assessment, like not the assessment, the training. And now you can get that particular now you can get, you are eligible for that particular voucher, the 100% cost the 100% voucher. You can claim that money 100%, so it will be cost around zero. So let me first open, let me first show you all the certificate of Microsoft. So this is the Microsoft's official page, learn.microsoft.com. Here you can find some popular certifications, that is 900, MS 900. This first row are, there is DP 900 is missing, but yeah, this first row are the basic level certification. The second row are the admin associate level certification, that has 2 stars. And the third are specialist and expert level certification. If you can see this, there is a 3 star. So these two are not the part of this topic. And this is the main thing which we are talking about. Like, you can give this exam with free of cost. So for that, we have to go to Microsoft Virtual Training Days. If I just type Training Days Microsoft, the first link you will click, and here, see, upcoming online sessions. So I am afraid of, like, this is December, so we will not have any upcoming sessions as of now, but January it will be coming. So if I open Azure, then see, there is the events coming soon. So there is no event right now, but yeah, there will be listing here. Let's say for this Azure Fundamental, there is a date showing here with blue mark, and and a hyperlink. If you click this, you will prompted either two way, like if the slot is full, then it will redirect you like the slot is full, you can choose another date. And if that is, if the slot is not full, then you can like prompted with a registration form. The registration form is very simple. You have to just give your name, your phone number, your email id. That two are the must, the three are the must. Like name would be name is very essential, like it will be showing in the Microsoft certificate, your Microsoft certificate. And then there is an email id. The email id, if that email id registered with Microsoft, that is fine. If it is not, then you have to you have to create a Microsoft account with particular Gmail account or Outlook, whatever you have, and then that particular email ID you have to give, and then you have to provide your mobile number. Like for the certificate, if needed, they might have called you or something, so we need that particular mobile number. And then when you register for that particular event, let's say this is Azure fundamentals. So for this particular event, if you registered, then you will be getting this registration mail. uh, and for this registration mail, there would be, see, there is click here to add the virtual training day to your calendar. We have 2 days of I mean, one event will have 2 days consecutively. So you can see there is August 22 one event, and then August 23 one event, and there is a timing when event will start. And you have to add this particular calendar, I mean particular date to your calendar, so that you can get the notification from your phone. And whenever that event will start, you have to log in with that particular id, email id, with which you have already registered for this event. Otherwise you will not get that voucher, you will not get that 100% voucher. So remember that you have to log in this particular event with the particular id you have registered. So when we registered it, like when we log in, there would be like 2.5 hours of training, and they will show you how the system work, and how what is the services in Microsoft, I mean Azure. For, I mean, every event there is a certain, I mean, they will train you, basically they will train you for the 2 hours. And then the next day the same thing will happen. And after your event is completed, in 2 or 3 days you will be getting a message, like a mail in your registered mail id, that you have successfully cleared the training, and now you can give the exam. And the voucher will be listed in the exam discount section. Let me search. Like I don't have any Azure certifications voucher left, but I have this SC900 security and compliance certifications. So I'll search SC900, and then if I go this section and change the country to India. Okay, and if I go, see, schedule with Pearson view. If I go here, click this. So yeah, as I have already created my profile, as I've already have certified with certain certifications, so I have this certificate profile created for me. But maybe for the first time, if you are doing this, you have to create this profile, and inside that you have to give the email ID that you have registered. That is the quick thing actually. And then we have addresses, the job title, everything. Don't see this linked account, because this is my PwC linked account uh, for my I mean for my other certifications purpose. So you will not get that particular thing here, you will just get profile. Okay. So when you continue, when you save this and continue, then you will ended up here in the exam discount section. If I can show you. Yeah, see, For the SC900, I have this. Don't look at this. This is speed Price Waterhouse Cooper employee. I mean, this both these are same vouchers, but this is provided by Price Waterhouse Cooper, and this is provided by Microsoft Training Days for attending that particular session. So I have attended Microsoft Training Days session, and I have successfully completed the session. That's why I get 100% claim. And now, if I claim this, and go for schedule exam, it will redirect me to the Pearson view, and then a form will open for inside Pearson view, and you have to fill all that things, and you have to schedule an exam. You have to choose a date, which date is available for you, and then after everything, in the last section you will see the cost will be 0 showing, and you have to submit that particular thing, and Pearson view will send you some mails so that you can see that your exam is scheduled, and that's it. You have to give the exam, and uh, yeah, you will get that particular certificate for you. That is it for today. Happy coding, guys.